Kasinjok ki barikor khasi ka Riti Academy minta ka singi kala pelong ka kusnam matithau ni Crystal Award arajar arpuai kaba ka jule malau snem kum ka jingkan mau burom ya ka lingkho singiap jong ka samla Crystal Gil Kharnayor haga jingra ki ka ni ka singi ban kan mau ya ka samla Crystal Gil Kharnayor ka Riti Academy ka jusam kusnam chiki samla ki betbet haga ni ka liang jong ka thodur ka sawangka ka sna durrim bat kiwe kisnap jong ka saptan rai Hakani kesngi lapun ko buram ikinong thodor daulat ka jela Satyapal Malik kumukongsan menta usnem la ibet yaki kam bakan sai jong samla wan hi ichalam ubalashna ki durboj animation film chapang kyang nangba mar phalingki ka bading klam bat kiwe kiblakran hakani ke jingra ke sam kusnam kilong ukongsan Satyapal Malik uba FR Kharkongor kherangba jong tanat sarkar deriti ni commissioner secretary arts and culture department baduba Rafael Warjri khlido jongkariti academy kumukongsan ulat ke jelau lakren bat pensngo baladun kam banseng no dakaslam pule chapang thodor kabala ban ajing tibet hakikadan pule ki bahalor knaba ki samla na ka jela kimdan kam ban haplet pule sejingai nala jela khamtam ki baduk bakado
One very important thing he said, which I am putting before you. 2000 years back, he was Indian artist who designed this Ashoka emblem. It's a perfect picture by every way, 4 lines and niche wo jo bana hua hai. Nothing has come equivalent to that till today. So our ancestors were very good artists. They knew their job, and now people, indigenous, especially indigenous people, they are very good at it. They should be encouraged. And I offer that if you have got an idea of exhibition of your art, we'll provide you our premises. You can hold it here, and we'll give every facility to it. But this is Riti Academy. As far as Riti Academy is concerned, we'll help them with our limited resources, but we'll always be there for your help. And I congratulate the young boy who has got the prize. Keep it up.